Hey guys, I'm back. I'm going to make another cocktail for you. Again, I'm not a cocktail guy, but every once in a while I run across one that I really like. So I don't know if you can call it an Easter cocktail or not, but here's my Easter cocktail for you. So a quarter of an ounce of agave syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then I used 1/2 ounce of the Cointreau. And then we're going to kick it up and use a high proof tequila. So this is going to be just a 1 ounce of tequila. I did that without spilling it. How about that? All right, so you're going to shake it up, of course. They call this a lemon drop martini made with tequila. Now, I didn't strain any ice because I like the ice in there. Rimmed it with a little bit of sugar. So a LALO lemon drop martini made with the fantastic high proof LALO tequila. This is a great easy drink. It's fun for a warm summer day, and it is great tequila. So instead of using vodka, use LALO. Thanks for tuning in, guys.